Okay, let's get started with Yeoman. This is the website. This is in MindMap, the branch. This is a very good source. Target TV Yeoman generator. It shows me how to create a generator right now. This is not my goal. My goal is just to get started using Yeoman. The Yeoman is written on the website. It's a scaffolder for web. Get started and then find a generator for your web page. Generators are available for Angular, Backbone, React, Polymorph, and over 1500 plus other projects. Read the Yeoman monthly digest for our latest picks. Okay, get started. In order to get started, actually, we have to install first grunt cli gulp yo, and we have to install it globally. Installing you and some generators. Installing npm install manager yo. I have already grunt gulp installed on all this kind of stuff, so let me try that. I'll say npm list -g to get not this one. I just wanna add -- depth equals 0, otherwise the result will be too long. Boar, let me try that and see. Boar, yeah, I have boar. Grunt cli, I have it. Gulp, I do have it. I even have less npm also, so what I need to install is just yo. Copy, paste, run, and we'll have. Okay, everything has been installed. Let me check that. Make sure that I have yo, and I was just reading here. It's just incredible. See the sections about boar, gulp, and grunt below. I have tutorials about that. npm is the package manager, blah blah. I don't know. I need I have installed already this. On Windows, suggest you use the improved command line tools such as cmder or PowerShell to improve the experience. Okay, that's something new to me. Probably I should use this one or PowerShell. cmder. Let me check this. Gooseberry cavity com cmder. What is that? Is a software package created out of pure frustration over the absence of nice console emulators on Windows. It's based on amazing software and spiced up with a monokai color scheme and a custom prompt layout, looking sexy from the start. Download mini 3 megabyte zipped file. Install and zip, can take a while. Optional, place your own executable files into the bin folder to be injected into path and commander. See, this is the biggest problem here. Maybe I should use one of those or a PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell or these things. So, Yeoman, cli comments here. I should say usage, and I will mark it with attention because use PowerShell or, as they say here, cmdr. And here we go about the PowerShell. Or cmdr. Let me copy this. Let me paste it here. Come on. cmdr. Let me find it where it was. Open link in a new tab. Probably I will download and use this one. I'm afraid that I will get so unlimited amount of nested folders as I did before. This is my greatest fear. To scaffold the web application. Okay, so it's extremely simple. You just install Yo, which has been installed already. Now paste generator, one of the generators. They have many of them. Peer dependency. The peer dependency Yo included from generator web-app will no longer be automatically installed to fulfill. Those are only warnings, but we'll see. Create generator, getting started. Discover generators. So here it is, the generators. No what? No configuration file. Come on. Generators. CMD. I hope I copy already this. Yeah, I do have it. Use PowerShell. So Microsoft download Windows PowerShell 2 to my new Windows 7 computer. I went to the Microsoft download page for PowerShell, but I was unable to find a version for Windows 7. Hello, Microsoft scripting guy. Ed Wilson is here to help save the day. You do not have to download Windows PowerShell 2 if you have Windows 7 because 7 it's already installed. Windows PowerShell. Okay, let me try that. Searching Windows PowerShell. Here we go. Wow. On Windows 7 we have the PowerShell. So this is what we're gonna use actually. Wow, the PowerShell is working there. User Stoyan. Let me say exit again. PowerShell for better experience, and let me run it as administrator if it's possible. Run as administrator. Okay, run as administrator. 64 bits PowerShell. Okay, so there. Wow, 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 wow. What is that now? Control C. My user change directory Stoyan. Here it's more appropriate to say dir. Okay, so I'm gonna use the PowerShell anyway. And I just wanted to show where all the generators are located. And I'm gonna use the web application right now. Yeoman generators. And it's quite easy to create generators. Web app, Node WebKit, Backbone, Angular, Gulp web app, a Gulp.js generator for modern web apps, web-app scaffolds out a front-end web app, the Yeoman team, Chrome developer related. What is this? Chrome extensions, Backbone, Polymer, the Yeoman team, Angular. Okay, scaffolding out Backbone.js, WordPress. I will be very curious to see what that looks. Okay, AngularJS. They're ordered by popularity, so AngularJS is the most popular. AngularJS with the Express server. That's actually mean, probably. Hipster stack for Java developers, Maven plus Spring plus AngularJS in one handy generator. Hipster. Hipster stack for Java developers, Maven plus Spring plus Angular, AngularJS plus Gulp.js. Gulp web app, Gulp generator, the Yeoman team, and web app, scaffolds out front end. Okay, front end web app. Let's go back. Basic scaffolding, npm install generator web app. Again, global installation, Stoyan, user Stoyan. Let me try here. Edit, paste. Okay, so npm install manage generator web app. Manage generator web app. Generator web app. Come on. npm install manage generator web app. I get a lot of warnings here. Peer dependencies, peer dependencies, peer dependencies. Deprecated CSS select. The module is not available as CSS select. CSS what? The module is not available as CSS what? So after that I'm gonna show how to run it, but I'm not gonna run it here. I'm gonna run it in a virtual machine just to make sure that I can destroy it when I want, because I'm afraid it's gonna create so many nested folders that I cannot get rid of them. I don't wanna run into this kind of problems now. Boilerplate. So this generator has HTML5 boilerplate, jQuery modernizer bootstrap. Let's look at what HTML5 boilerplate is. The web's most popular front-end template. Ha! Boilerplate helps you build fast, robust, and adaptable web apps or sites. Kickstart your project with the combined knowledge and effort of thousands of developers. Okay, so I definitely will need that. And here I'm gonna put in others. Here in others I'm gonna put HTML5 boilerplate link. The web's most popular HTML boilerplate. I just downloaded. Package. Okay, that's crazy. In the world of JavaScript is really wild, wild west right now. But at least I found something which is a very good start. I was asking myself how to start actually, and here we go. This is the right answer right now. Local disk C, install HTML5 boilerplate. HTML5 boilerplate, and I'm gonna put it here. Who knows, maybe in 1 month is not gonna be already that modern, but right now that's fine. So it says that actually jQuery modernizer, download modernizer, get started with modernizer. Modernizer is a JavaScript library that detects HTML5 and CSS3 features in the user's browser. Why Modernizer? Taking advantage of cool new web technologies is great fun until you have to support browsers that lag behind. Modernizer makes it easy for you to write conditional JavaScript and CSS to handle each situation, whether a browser supports a feature or not. It's perfect for doing progressive enhancement easy. Okay, so development, production, configure your build, download modernizer. This is what we're gonna copy as well and add it here. It's just crazy. It's absolutely crazy, the amount of projects, the amount of tools you have to bring to one page in order to get something done. It's just incredible. It's overwhelming. Absolutely. Download modernizer 283. Download modernizer 283. Use the development version to develop with and learn from. Then when you're ready for production, use the build tool below to pick only the tests you need. Okay, so that's not possible to be downloaded here. Getting started with modernizer, it's incredible. It's incredible. Okay, whatever. Let me see what happens here. Okay, so what they say is once you have the generator, all you have to do is make my Yo project here. Can I just copy and paste? Make the Yo project. Change directory Yo project eventually. There, the directory is empty. And after that, Yo web app. Let me check here. Let me make sure I have npm list minus minus list minus g minus minus dep equals 0. Yo. And do I have generator web app? Yeah, I do have it, and I have Yo. But as I said, I'm gonna try this in a virtual machine. I'm gonna install Node package manager, Node Bower, everything, and after that I'll try it in a virtual machine before I try it here. I just want to make sure that it's not gonna create endless amount of nested folders which I cannot get rid of afterwards. So the final step is Yo web app, and that's it. Into this folder I'll get a web app. I'm actually tempted to do it, but I'm afraid, so better not. Thank you for watching this.